Welcome back students. In the previous video we saw that January 13th or 14th is celebrated as Makar Sankranti. People have holiday on these days. People of all ages from child to age old people go on their terrace or rooftops and enjoy this festival. We also saw that on Makar Sankranti day Uttarayan also occurs. So people of Gujarat celebrate this Uttarayan with great joy. All shops and business are all closed or shut down for a couple of days, as this is called as the celebration or the mark that the winter is coming to an end. We also saw that many people from young children to age old people as well as ladies or gents all gather on the rooftops and enjoy this festival. They cut each other's kites and they enjoy this festival very nicely. Now let us see further what is given in this lesson. A wonderful variety of kites is seen and the fusee buyer can choose what he wants. The more serious players prepare special lines for their kites. There is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. A lot of variety of shapes or colors and even lot of variety of kites are being seen in the market, and the buyers or the person who comes to buy kites who have lot of choices. For them also lot of variety of kites are available in the market. There are numerable variety of kites or numerable variety of shapes of kites found, and the people buy whatever they want. There is music also played in the air all around. DJ system are being organized by the area people or by the building. People are not needed to make any food at their home, as people are being provided by the building people or by the area people. They are being provided with the breakfast, food, and everything is being given by the building people. Some people also prepare special threads for the kites. The threads used to fly kites are also being available in the market. So in this day special delicacies are also prepared. Like in Gujarat, fafda, jalebi, undio are famous. Likewise, those are also being prepared on this day. So this day is celebrated with great joy and with great enthusiasm. Held on the same day, the bigger event, however, is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. So on this day, that is the 13th or 14th Jan, International Kite Festival is celebrated at Ahmedabad. Is held at the Sardar Patel Stadium or Police Stadium. So International Kite Festival means a lot of people from all over the country come to this kite festival and enjoy this festival. It is organized by Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Excited spectators watch in awe as marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the skies. So in this festival, many players, many people from all over the world, they participate and show their skills in flying kites. They demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites, means in flying different types of kites. Many Indian people, they compete with people from Japan, USA, UK or other countries. So there are a lot of people who come, even the champions all from all over the country, from all the other countries also, they come to this kite festival and they enjoy the festival. So people from those coming from outside India, they bring their own kites of their country and compete with other people during this festival. Different shapes of kites such as eagles, cartoon shapes, characters, then house, snakes, box type shapes, then quadrilateral shapes. All types of shapes of kites are being found during this festival. This festival brings enjoyment and joy in people's eyes. So those who have come to judge this kite festival, when they see this moment, they are very excited to see this festival. They become very excited when they come to this festival, as they can see a lot of different types of varieties of colors and shapes of kites flying in the sky. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites. People crowd the streets and buy their stocks, haggling through the night. So one special feature or highlight of this festival is the Kite or Patang Bazaar. It is a market specially for kites. Lot of the different types of varieties of kites are available in this bazaar. For a whole week, it is open for 24 hours. We can say as 24 into 7. That means 24 hours, 7 days. People go and buy kites in this bazaar. Means they don't buy one or two. They buy for a dozen. They buy hundreds of kites in this bazaar. They don't go and buy one or two, because they fly lot of kites. They not only fly one or two kites, they fly lot of kites. So they go and buy kites from this kite bazaar or Patang bazaar. In the midnight also people buy kites. It is not only during the daytime or during the evening time people buy kites. Even in the midnight, early morning also people go and buy kites. During midnight we can see that the people are so much crazy about flying kites. People crowd at streets and shops and bargain with the price of kites throughout the night. So people go and crowd the streets and they buy the kites, haggling through the night. Haggling means bargaining. They bargain with the price. They bargain with the price of the kites throughout the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite-making skills and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. Now for kite flying, special thread are being used. So talented and skilled people show their talents or skills of kite making as well as making of thread for kite flying. Now let us see how the thread of kite flying is made. Mixtures of glue and ground glass cover the lines, which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis. These lines are so sharp that carelessly used they can cut a finger. The thread is made by mixtures of glue and ground glass. Ground glass meaning very small pieces of glass like fine powder. So glass is it is not small pieces. It is like a fine powder. It is the glass is being grounded into fine pieces, fine powder. It is put on the thread and they are put into dry. And after it is dry, they roll onto firkis and the thread is ready. The thread becomes so sharp that if we misuse it, then our finger will be cut. And this is how the thread is made. As it is made of ground glass, it is very sharp. So that is why the people cut their finger when they play with the kite, when they play with the thread. When they fly kites, that time they cut their finger, because the thread is made up of fine powder of glass and it is made up of glue also. The excitement does not end with nightfall. Now it is time for illuminated box kites, often strung on one line to be launched in the sky. Called tukals, they add a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the stars. So the excitement goes on for the whole day. When it is night, illuminated box kites means box kites in which light is found. As you can see in the picture over here, how the kites are there, and in that kites the light is being there, are tied on one string and it is launched in the sky. So the excitement not only ends during the evening time or during the night time, the excitement is there for the whole night as well. People over there, they launch illuminated box kites as seen in the picture over there in the sky. This box kites in which light is found is called as tukals. That is the kites we can see in the picture over there. It is called as tukals. As the sky is very dark, these kites look very attractive and add a great beauty to the sky. It is beautiful and it competes with the brilliance of the stars. That means the stars are also nothing in front of this illuminated box type kites called as tukals. So this is what the chapter is about. In this chapter we learnt about what is kite flying, when it is celebrated, how it is celebrated, and how the people of Ahmedabad celebrate this festival of kite flying. During this kite flying, people enjoy a lot. They go to their rooftops and they go to their terraces to enjoy this day. They not only enjoy during the daytime or during evening time, during night time also they enjoy a lot. They fly tukals, that is illuminated box kites, on which that light is being found, and this adds a grand beauty to the sky. So this is what the chapter is about, the kite flying. So students, I hope that you all have understood the lesson well about kite flying. Thank you students. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy.